What is going on, guys? Welcome to another freaking video. So I have been out of the gym for the past 5 days. As you guys have probably seen the previous video, that I got into an accident and I injured myself. So half of it is already healed. So this was the shoulder that again I peeled off some of the shit, and my hands are also, I'm not sure if it's in focus or not, but I'm just gonna give it a try. So yeah, I peeled off some of this injury as well, and let me show you guys the leg as well. Give me 1 second. And yeah, so this is the leg, how it actually looks like. That was how the injuries recovery is going on. So in this video I'm going to be taking guys over a few exercises that you guys can do for your abdominal workout, abdominals at your home without using any kind of equipment. And we're going to be focusing on the lower abs, upper abs, and the obliques as well. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Alright guys, so the first exercise that we're starting off with would be crunches. But we're gonna make sure that we do not come all the way up, because that's where the mistake happens, which I've seen a lot of people make. You only need to squeeze this much, as you guys can see in the video. So that's all you need to do in order for your abdominals to be contracted entirely. Alright guys, let's get into the next exercise, which will be Russian twists. Again, keeping your feet straight and knees a little bit bent, and getting into a crunch position like this, just 45-degree angle, and going ahead and just twisting, making sure your feet are also above the ground, which I will be showing you guys another angle. What you guys can also do is hold a kind of plate or dumbbell and then move it around on both sides. It's gonna put on a lot of weight on your abdominal muscle. Again, 10 to 15 reps are more than enough for this exercise, and you're gonna be doing 3 sets of each exercise that I'll be showing you guys today. This is the second exercise. Alright guys, let's get into the next exercise, which is going to be for the obliques, which I'm not sure what it's called, but it's kind of like a hip dip. So it's gonna be working on your abdominals individually. So you want to be making sure that we are in a single arm push-up position, but more so into a vertical position like this. And we want to be making sure that your shoulder is stiff, and this is how your position should be. Dip and then stretch, making sure you do slow and controlled movements. It's going to be targeting your left abdominal for this. Again, it might take you guys a little while into balancing this movement, but you'll get it eventually. Oof. Let's move to the other side. Okay guys, so the next and the last exercise that I like to do is some kind of plank, but again it's supposed to be more happening. So you go into the plank position and hold there for a good amount of time, and making sure that you play around with it, putting your torso a little down and then up. This would also put more strain on your abs. Touching each side of the hip bone or ball and socket joint on the floor, just touch it gently on both sides and then hold again. Again, moving your torso down slowly and then bringing it back up will put a lot of strain in your abs, and we want to be squeezing the entire abdominal muscle. Again, this entire set will take you guys like 30 seconds to be over with the additional movements that I've put in. We just want to make sure that the entire abdominal muscle is under tension the entire time. That's when your muscles are going to break down, and when you eat a good amount of protein, it's going to help you gain that same muscle back in that broken muscle parts. Oh shit. Let's get into another set and then we'll get done with this workout. What you can also do is move your elbows further apart, further away from your body, like this. It's gonna put a lot of strain in your abs, a lot more. And then bring it closer, torso up and down. Yes, we're done with the workout, guys. Ah shit, I feel like sleeping right now, but we gotta film the outro. And with that, guys, we are done with this workout. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure to give this ab workout a try, and let me know in the comment section below how well it has worked out for you guys, and I will be able to get more than enough motivation for making such videos for you guys. So yeah, definitely give it a try. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below what other videos you guys would like me to make. And subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video, because I post a video every Monday and every Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. So peace out.